Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. And here it opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security. And here in this section, if we scroll down again, there is a delete my account title. If you tap on this, we can set the time limit for when to delete our account. So let's say we don't use our account for 1 year, then it's going to self-destruct as it says here. Or we can set it to 6 months, 3 months, or 1 month. Yeah, and after we just selected it, it's going to save it like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.